We are pleased to show you the 2021 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.